guys, good afternoon. This is Faithlyn with Elegance. Thank you so much for joining me today. I wanted to be out on my patio today and everything is decorated, so I have really no space out here to do my DIY, but I decided I was just going to move my tablecloth back and do it right here on our table. I'm gonna make it happen because I want to be outside. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's a beautiful day. So I've mentioned to you guys that I had a few more centerpieces that I needed to create. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that you'll like the way that this centerpiece turned out and decide to join our family, become a part of our family by hitting that subscribe button, and don't forget the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. All right guys, I'm so excited. I hope you are too. So you will need a container of your choice. I'm going with the sleigh like Ross. You'll need some foam, and I got that from the Dollar Tree. I got this from Hobby Lobby, and it has these stones on the end, and they're somewhat like a pick. It's the His and Hers Studio. So I'm going to see if I can work that in. This is also from Hobby Lobby. Just a little pick. I wanted a little touch of red, not too much. And this poinsettia that came from Michael's. And I trimmed it back because I only want 3. Also got these greenery from Michael's, and they have the tiny little pine cones. So I'm gonna go with that. You'll need something to cut with. I've got a serrated knife and scissors. You definitely need your glue gun and your glue sticks. So let's go ahead and jump into this DIY. So these 2 cans are going to be the base for my centerpieces for my living room. What you'll need is some picks of your choice. These came from Walmart and Michael's. We're going to trim them down and create so you'll need a knife, a serrated knife of your choice. You'll need your scissors. And if you want to use wire cutter, you can as well. I hauled this little border from Hobby Lobby. It's $4.99. You can use a coupon on it as well. It's absolutely glam. Okay guys, so this is how the centerpieces turned out. This is a candle holder from Z Gallery. I went ahead and insert the centerpiece in the center of where I would normally put a candle, and I think it looks fantastic. I love the way it looks. I hope you do as well. If you do, give me a thumbs up and please share the video with your family and friends. It does help my channel to grow and I truly appreciate that. Thank you so much guys for spending this time with me. Leave me a comment, let me know which one of these centerpieces are your favorite. I truly appreciate your comments and your time. Leave me a message and I will see you on my next DIY.